Let's see, it looks like this Counter Timer Tach is in tachometer mode right now, so let's go ahead and flip that over to timer. To do that, we hold down the mode key for 3 seconds and wait for it to flip over into the configuration mode. Here we are. We can choose tachometer, mixed mode, counter, or timer. We want timer, so we press the mode key to lock that in. It now flips over to the timer mode, as indicated by this guy right here, and we can start working our way down through the parameters. These are all of the parameters that you have to work with in the timer mode. We're currently in the function parameter, this red function right now, and we selected timer. We're going to press mode to move down to the timer mode. Is this an up timer or a down timer? We'll leave it at up. Press the mode key to move down to the output mode. There are 12 different output modes you can select from. We want the repeat cycle timer for this one, so we'll simply increment through the modes until we get there. Whoops, there it was. Press the mode key to lock it in, and then press the mode key to move on down to the timing units. With this parameter, you can select the format of the display. In seconds with 3, 2, or 1 decimal points, minutes seconds, or hours minutes seconds, or even up to hours. We'll leave it at seconds right now, and move on to the next parameter by pressing the mode key. You can set the width of the output. 20 milliseconds is the default, but you can change it to anything you want. If you choose 0, the output will be latched on once it's triggered. We'll leave hours at 20 milliseconds and press the mode key to move on to the next parameter. This is the minimum width of the reset signal. Use the 20 millisecond value if you suspect you may have a noisy signal line or want to filter out switch bounces. Press the mode key one more time, and we're down to the last parameter, which is what kind of input are you connected to, PNP or MPN. It's important to set this right, otherwise you may get some unexpected results. Well, that's all there is to setting up the timer. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series to get the most out of your Counter Timer Tach module. And as always, please send us any topics you would like to see covered, or any other comments for that matter. We appreciate the feedback.